And I didn't even try to work a job, represent the mob at the same time, thirsty on the grind, shy state of mind.
Yeah, it's your boy Crypto Blood, and welcome to another sponsored review. Today I've got one that I'm going to be honest with you, very cautious of. It's called Bitsonar, Quantum Cryptocurrency Fund. They say it's an algorithm they've developed, an AI bot. And you know, guys, I create algorithms. So I'm going to give you my honest assessment of what they've got going on here. You can invest with no fees and no limits until January 17th, 2020. So I wanted to kind of do this in that time frame. So at least, you know, maybe if you want to put a small amount of money in here, you can do it without any fees and no limits until January 17th. But I'll give you my honest assessment of it here in a second. I want to first take a look at their intro video that kind of goes over their platform really quickly. So let's do that.
Every single investor and trader dreams about high income with low risks, but our human abilities are limited. We lack the time to make detailed analyses. Traders can't easily spot tendencies in exchange fluctuations and leave money on the table when making calculations as a result of risk-based anxiety. Classic analytics are not enough to make good investments. You need to have a complete vision of the entire market and the capacity to act immediately and without hesitation. This problem has been solved by Bitsonar with their innovative Echo Fund, a quantum crypto fund. Since 2016, we have developed highly precise algorithms and complicated quantitative strategies to provide effective management for our clients' crypto assets. Echo Fund trading uses automatically identified patterns observed in a vast historical data array, taken from the top 10 cryptocurrency exchanges. Our neural network tracks mentions and search engine trends. We analyze all of this information and use it to form the basis of trading hypotheses, which are tested for a long period of time before being used with real money. As a result, we can implement trading ideas with improved accuracy and react on price signals in a split second. The investment procedure is easy and takes just a couple of minutes. After registration, our clients choose their investment package and their assets are immediately added to the Echo Fund trading pool. The neural network earns money via quantum algorithms, and our clients receive weekly reports. To assure investors of the effectiveness of Echo Fund, we provide clients with free access to our trading bot. After 3 days, you can get your investment back along with any generated income in whichever method is most convenient for you. Your future as a trader doesn't have to rely on speculative news and doubtful forecasts. It's time to trade using quantum analytics and algorithmic trading with Bitsonar.
All right, there you go, people. A quick intro to the Bitsonar program. Now, again, I have a lot of skepticism about this project simply because, again, I come from developing algorithms and I know, listen, if there's an algorithm, especially leveraged using AI and neural networks, which there are algorithms out there that do that, if there is one that can guarantee money the way that many of these platforms that we've heard of in the past guarantee, then there's no need for outside investment. You will keep this type of proprietary technology private. So, you know, again, that's my angle of skepticism with this project or this platform, because I'm just not too confident that, you know, there's a reason to have this be an open fund, something that very few individuals with high net worths would only have access to. Now, they've got articles from investing.com all the way to Yahoo, but you know, these are all press releases, so you have to keep those types of things in mind when you know, they try to leverage these sites with these types of press releases. So they do have various investment funds and pricing. But right now, again, as I've told you, there's a zero fee unlimited investment program until January 17th. So again, this may be the time to, if you want to just throw some money at it, you could do it here in this time frame and see how things work out for you. But again, I am pretty skeptical. If you take here, they have a calculator where you can put in, you know, an amount that you invest and give them an investment start date. So if I pick a date and hit calculate, it will say that since September 29th until today, you would have made $139. That's including your initial investment. So we're talking about a return of 39%. So the thing that really has me saying, I don't know, maybe this is something you could take a look at, would have been the fact that the returns don't look astronomical, but I don't know where the fees play into this. So that's where I'm not too sure after fees and everything, how these profits look. Let's try to go back a little bit further. Let's maybe do May. May 1st, 2019. See what that pulls up. Since May, you would have almost doubled your money. You would have made $98 off the $100 investment. Okay, and so of course you can move the scale around, do $2,100, see where we come up. So yeah, looks like same percentage the higher you invest. So if I do 8,500, yeah, it looks about right. So a little bit about them. They were a family office investing in cryptocurrencies back in 2016, and the company started to progress onwards, successfully investing in cryptocurrencies and develop a development team, and they called it Bitsonar. It was able to further improve the company's trading strategies, performance, and created first unique trading algorithm that used improved risk-free strategies. And that's, again, these are the buzzwords that concern me. Risk-free. That's not something that I like to hear. But they started with $250,000, and today they allegedly have 13.6 million under the investment pool with 108 employees. Not sure why they need that many employees. 48 countries. And so it says today their algorithms consistently evolve, improving overall performance of the fund. They use pair trading techniques partnered up with arbitrage and quantum approaches to trading. I don't know. I'm not sold on this. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. And one other thing to mention, I don't know if you guys know about Pavel Lerner. He's a big, well-known Russian IT and Bitcoin expert, OG in the Bitcoin game. He's actually joined the team as the lead advisor for Bitsonar. I remember there was a situation with Pavel where he was kidnapped but later released by some Russian thugs or something. That was crazy. But Pavel is one of the executives over at Exmo, a well-known cryptocurrency exchange out of Barcelona and Moscow. It is actually the #1 crypto exchange in Eastern Europe. So the guy knows what he's doing. He knows about markets. He knows about liquidity. Neat to see he's part of the Bitsonar panel of advisors. And so let's look at their product, this quantum crypto fund. It says they use complex mathematical models and predictive analytics to forecast the direction of the cryptocurrency markets. Taking the quantum approach to forming arbitrage hypothesis allows for almost completely mitigating any risk, while at the same time significantly increasing funds returns. It doesn't say anything about which pairs they're trading. It's very vague in that nature, so I'm not too sure where and if we can even find out that type of information. They say they have an arbitrage as well, fully autonomous algorithms with flexible settings. And again, because I develop algorithms, people, I know the things to look for and the buzzwords to be concerned about. But anyhow, let's go ahead and take a look at the dashboard really quickly. And I just want to remind you, they do again have a Christmas/New Year promo. Invest with no fees and no limits until the 17th of January 2020, and you get cash back up to 10% from all investments starting from $500 and higher. So on the home page, the dashboard, after logging in, you'll see like their little holiday promo thing they've got going on. I did actually confirm their email, so I'm not sure why it's showing that, but it's got a chart of Bitcoin from Binance on the 1-day chart. As you see, Bitcoin is definitely trying to make headway here at the time of recording. So a big move for Bitcoin right now. However, if we take a look, we scroll further down, you'll see their, I guess, last 10 days of profits for the shareholder and versus what you profit here. And it's giving us like percentages per day. So 0.5% on the 24th. And it just kind of progresses through and gives you these various percentages. And then it also gives you the percent that Bitsonar takes from it. So 10 days profit, 5.1%. It's not like really outrageous on the profit returns, but that could just be I don't know. Like, I'm not too sure about how to look at that. I will say that that is a win or a good check mark on their behalf to see that in 10 days, 5%. Now, if it continues to do that, that's where I would be more concerned about the sustainability of something like this as far as the profitability. So you can withdraw from this every 10 days. Okay, I don't know as far as the various packages they have and you can sign up for, how that all plays out, if there are different lockup periods for different levels. And I think they have some type of referral program. Again, that I don't like hearing that whole referral multi-level marketing stuff. That is a red flag for me. They only have up to 2 lines but still I'm not too confident about seeing something like that. But back to the home page, at least. I'm gonna go ahead. I just threw some cash in here really quickly because I'm supposed to do this video as a review video, but I'll probably do a follow-up video or either just mention it in one of my 2 Satoshi videos regarding the outcome of this experiment, is what I'm calling it. And maybe you guys can wait until you see what happens with these funds, and then make your decision from there. I don't know. Or if you aren't patient, you can go ahead and try it yourself. Again, I'll just go ahead and put the whole amount in, and it says here current investment $50, daily profit approximately. So now it shows that you already invested $50. And again, we're just gonna let this ride out for a few days to see what happens, but to be very cautious and do your own research on this platform, because I'm just not convinced yet. So if I go to balances, it'll show me investment. They have like an investment profits area. You can either reinvest or transfer every 10 days. So I'll come back with this maybe in about 10-15 days and just see how things go. I wanted to give you guys just a heads up, a glimpse into this Bitsonar platform, and then we'll do a follow-up video with it in a few days here.
The sky.